Hi, welcome to Chaos Break. I am Amy.
I'm Amanda.
And in today's video, we are doing Ipsy for January 2019. Let's see what we got this month. Sit back, take a break with us. So it is January 23rd. We just got our Ipsies today. Took forever. I've seen other people bag them, but we added things to ours. So I was like, oh, we spent more money, so we gotta wait longer, I guess. Alright, let's get into our bags.
See if it was worth the wait here.
So,
hey, did you do any snooping? Do you know
No.
what's in them?
Yes, I know it's in my bag.
You know what's in the bag?
Because I tracked it so many times, but it took so long. So I do know it's in my bag this month.
So naughty.
I know. So, if you don't know, Ipsy is $10 a month. It is a makeup, beauty related. They really crammed my bag in here. Look at this.
So should I pull out the extra thing I use my points for first?
Sure.
Alright, I redeemed points.
Hold on. I was telling him what it was. If you don't know, Ipsy is $10. I was in the middle of that, thank you. Ipsy is $10 a month. You get five deluxe size sample-y makeup, beauty related things. Yeah, that's Ipsy. Okay. If you review items every month, you get points. And that's
Did you say how much it was?
$10, yeah.
Okay, she did.
Go ahead.
Plus tax.
Yes, plus tax. So
I redeemed points, what, like 600 or something like that, and I got this.
City Limits. What is it?
It's eyeshadow.
That's really cute.
It's a little green container.
Aww.
Ooh.
It's black. It's charcoal-ish. It is not green.
Kind of.
Maybe it is. Swatch it.
We will.
I didn't bring wipes in here, so.
It does look green to me. Maybe a little greenish gray.
Maybe it's a little green.
I like it. It's really pretty.
It is really pretty.
It really went on there well.
Really smooth.
Let's see how much it rubs out. Or blends or whatever.
Well, you want something to be able to blend, but you don't want it to lose all of its pigment.
I like
blend
that.
away.
That's pretty.
That is pretty. Do you need something, or are you good?
No. Swap out my pants.
All right. Look at my bag. How much is like squished in here?
Mine's fine.
Look at this. Like, this is how my bag was in there. This is the bag this month. It doesn't look like I got, like, hardly anything in it. Oh. I'll take yours.
That's weird.
I don't know. It's a cute bag. I like the colors. Kind of bluish gray and hot pink. Is there, what, a card? I don't feel a card in mine.
There is a little card booklet.
Holy moly.
Whole booklet.
Recharge.
They recharged?
That's what it says. January 2019 Ipsy recharge. So I'm guessing, is that the theme, maybe? Alright, I'm going to get in my bag.
Does yours look like mine?
Yeah.
Cool.
First item in my bag is from Tarte. And this is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation.
Ooh.
That's cool. I got the shade Fair Sand. Hopefully that would work.
Does she look like Fair Sand?
What'd you get?
I got Crystal Chrome Pigmented Crystalline Particles. I don't know. Is it eyeshadow?
I don't know.
Smoky Quartz. I'm assuming eyeshadow.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it's a powder.
It's loose.
I can make a mess with this.
Yeah, it's a... Wait, is this eyeshadow or is this highlight?
Spoosh!
Is there anything about it in here?
Amy. Sparkle.
That's okay. Everybody needs a little sparkle. On your lids, cheekbones, brow bones, wherever you need a touch of radiance.
There's a sticker in there. You're supposed to take it off. You probably knew that, though.
Yeah, I did. But I wasn't looking at it.
I don't use makeup.
So it's from Seraphine Botanicals. I don't know. It's a pretty color. I think it would be too deep of a highlight for me.
Is it a highlight?
It can be used for both.
Oh. Oh my goodness. I just want to get the sticker off. I have no fingernails. I
already got mine.
You know what? Gold star for you.
I get gold star! That is really pretty, actually.
Ooh.
It went on really nice. Wonder how much like glitter fallout we'd have from that. It's very pretty though. Next up I got from Gold Fatten MD Problem Unbalanced Aging Skin Solution Skin Balancing Mask. So use on clean skin, leave on for 10 minutes, and rinse off. Could use some balance in my skin for sure because I got a lot of redness. Oh, it's a very, very liquidy consistency. You can see it there. Huh.
Nail Medic Rose Hip and Green Tea. Ooh, that's pretty.
That is pretty. I've never gotten nail polish from Ipsy.
I'm assuming you didn't today because your bag wasn't very big. I already have nail polish on. But
that's pretty. I like lighter nail polishes because they're a lot more forgiving.
If you screw it up,
yeah.
you get it on your skin, nobody really knows.
Yeah. That's pretty. I like it.
Here, I'll hold it up.
Oh, it's strong though. I'm real sensitive right now though because my sinuses are all messed up.
At least you can smell.
That is true. And last thing in my bag is...
I only got 4 things. Oh, wait, 5. No, that's 4. That's 1.
I wonder if there's something outside of my bag in here.
Cool.
Okay. So, not the last thing in my bag. This is fluid. Elsewhere. Odd.
Lip gloss?
It is a lip gloss, but it's like blue. Lip gloss in Elsewhere. It might look blue, but don't worry about being edgy. This formula goes on sheer and clear. The blue tint is a playful nod to the brand's gender-neutral philosophy. Makeup for her, him, them, and everyone. Cool.
I got Ciate London Wonderland Mascara. In the shade.
Yeah, it does just go on clear. Smells sweet.
Looks good, nice.
Yeah.
I put on the one we got in the other thing. Birchbox.
Mm-hmm.
Should I get Birch? Yeah, I put that on.
I like it.
It's an Arrow brand. I like that.
It's not like super black, but I definitely see some length to your lashes.
I also got Hemp's Pure Herbal Extract Lips. Herbal Lip Balm.
You like that brand, don't you?
I have a lotion by them, and it's alright. It's very pineapple-y, but I actually need something on my lips, so this is nice.
Cool.
Is that sealed?
No. Last thing I got in my bag. Thanks, Ipsy.
Why? Ben?
Look how bent it is.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it'll probably go back because I think it's just the bristles, but...
There's a weird little defect on this. Look at that plastic.
Oh, yeah.
That hurts. I don't know if you can see it. There's like a lump of plastic there.
So...
But, hey, this is nice, though.
This is a very adorable brush, which I love from SL Miss Glam. It's like clear and glittery.
It's pretty. It looks like a unicorn.
I know. I love these brushes, and I love getting brushes, so that's cool. Okay, so what do you think of your main bag?
I have one more thing.
Oh, jeez.
I have Velvet Liquid Lipstick.
Oh, goodness.
Matte Long Lasting Moisturizing. What color is this? Oh. Oh. No.
It's matte.
What? So matte. Whatever.
I'm helping.
French.
I'm helping. Do you like your shirts? Amanda got them for us.
No.
That is really pretty packaging, though. What does it say? Hola Neon. That is really pretty packaging, though.
I don't know. That's really, like, I don't know if I can.
Well, look at my lips right now.
I know.
These are one of the Ulta ones.
You wear different things.
I wear different things. I'm different.
I don't know.
It's pretty color. It is a little bold for you, but it's pretty. Alright, that is what we got in our Ipsy bags this month. But Amanda, who does not help my finances ever, says, hey, did you see this? And Ipsy had a thing where you could add on things to your bag, and they were only $12, and they were a pretty good deal.
But there was a limit of 3, so.
Yeah, there was 4 things that I actually really wanted, and I could only get 3, so I had to choose.
So that was rough.
That was really hard for me.
So not including points, this is what I got. I'm just going to look at this. Oh my gosh. So I got 5 things.
I got the same eyeshadow, the lip gloss, the foundation. anti-aging mask and a brush.
Which is cool because you like foundation and you use brushes.
Yeah, I love brushes. And
use all this stuff.
yeah, I think the bags were
And
pretty
I like
good.
my eyeshadow too.
I don't know about this lip gloss, but I do like lip gloss. I like stuff like this.
Did you try it on?
No, because this will smear everywhere. I like stuff like this lip gloss because I can throw it in my purse. That's something you can put on without really looking. If you need some little bit of shine. Yeah, yeah. And then, okay.
Put this on without looking. Dare ya?
No.
Could be funny though.
So what we both added on, Amanda only added on one thing. So we can talk about that first. So for $12 we added on the ColourPop All I See Is Magic palette. I do believe this was limited edition.
Holiday 2017. That's what it says?
Maybe. Huh. Oh. Interesting. It's so cute though. Colors are really pretty.
I know. I was excited.
So that is one thing that we added on. I'll swatch a couple. I'm not going to swatch them all, but
Oh, that's nice.
I love ColourPop's formula. I'm trying not to swatch the same ones you do, but I'm not looking at you. So.
I'm going to do the top ones.
Oh. Well, I'm just going to randomly pick 5 colors and swatch them.
Well,
I'm going to go on this side.
I did the wrong way.
It's so hard to show when you do it like that. Which one did I do? This one.
I did the top 5.
Those are really pretty. So I'm excited to play with that. I'm going to have makeup all over me. So one of the other things that I added on, this was a really good deal because this is the Tarte Double Duty Make Every Moment Count. This is a blush palette, and I think these are normally like 32 or 36 bucks, and it's broken.
Oh no.
Can probably press it down. Just one of them's cracked a little bit.
That's
So
what this one is.
this
Longs
one.
here.
Yes. But I can probably press that back into the pan a little bit. So these are like $36 or $32. So it's got a big mirror. And then let me see if I can maybe knock this off somewhere.
Here.
It's just that one that's like cracked. I don't think the whole thing will fall out. There. It's a little bummer, but not too big of a deal. So it has 3 blush shades in it, and these are Tarte blushes are kind of expensive. But I'm excited about that. They feel really nice. I don't know where in the world I'm going to put them.
Those are pretty.
They're pretty. So that's what the 3 colors look like. So I thought that was a really good deal. And then the last thing that I picked up for $12 is from Violet Voss. And this is a brand that I've been wanting to try. And this is the HG Fun Size eyeshadow palette. I know a lot of people, they get an Ipsy or, oh my goodness, like Ipsy Glam Bag Plus or Boxy Luxe maybe. They got the Holy Grail, like the full size palette. And a lot of people are really liking those.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Those are the colors that are in there. And this was only $12 too. So I was really excited to try these. Oh, they feel nice. I have no idea where I'm going to put them, but there's nothing on that finger. Oh, they're pretty. They're a little chunky, but they feel nice. So those are really pigmented.
You're a rainbow.
So much makeup. I'm so excited.
You're a rainbow.
A rainbow.
You're a rainbow. You're a rainbow.
I think it was worth the wait.
Yeah.
I know you didn't get as much as I did.
Oh, I'm still happy. I like it.
So the other thing that I was trying to choose in between is they had one of the Ofra highlighters, the Rodeo Drive one, for $12. Did that dry down?
It did, except for I put a lot on there. So but it's like, I don't know if I like it.
It almost looks dry already. Like, you can see all the little lines in your hand.
I know, I just don't know if I like that look. But I'm more of a shiny lip gloss person.
You are shiny. You're
Lip
a
gloss
shining
person.
star.
And I am lipstick. Lipstick's harder to do. And I have a hard time making it look good.
I did a whole video a couple weeks ago.
About lipstick?
No, with lipstick on my teeth, and I didn't realize it. Even the entire time I was editing it. Until I uploaded it, and I watched it, and I was like, there's lipstick all over my teeth. But, alright, that is what we got. Next, see. this month. I'm super excited that it is finally here. I'm super excited to play with some of this stuff. I don't know. I could say something about this blush, but because I feel like it's just going to keep cracking. I don't know. Maybe I can just put a little bit.
I have that color.
That is pretty. Put a little bit of alcohol on it and see if I can kind of put it back in there.
Hey, look.
No, it's just...
Okay, that would have been a Glam Bag Plus.
Cracked right there. Yeah, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is like $50. Is it a month? Is it a monthly
I don't know.
thing?
I feel like that's like too much. I don't know.
No, it's not. It's $25. It's
okay.
similar to BoxyCharm.
I was going to say, I do FabFitFun, and you know you're going to get...
Well, BoxyCharm has a BoxyCharm Luxe now, and that's $50, but you only get that every 3 months instead of your regular BoxyCharm, but I don't know if I'd want to do that. We'll see. But I am excited to play with these things, and if you want to see more on this stuff, let us know down below and subscribe so you don't miss our next break, and see you next time. Bye-bye!